TechTricks here, and we have returned once again. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of a pretty special computer. This right here is the new M1 MacBook Pro from Apple. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about this computer compared to the previous versions of the MacBook Pro? Well, this one is using Apple's own processors. They're not using Intel's CPUs like previous Macs, and Apple has instead manufactured their own CPUs using the ARM architecture instead of Intel and AMD's x86 architecture. For those of you wondering, ARM and x86 are two companies that design CPU architecture. ARM is usually used for mobile devices like phones and tablets, and x86 is generally used for laptops and desktops. This has all changed as companies such as Apple are now starting to use ARM processors in their computers because of the better performance. Now that I've brought you all up to speed, let's move on with this video. Now we have reached the actual unboxing section, the section where you have all come for. And for this unboxing, we have one camera right in front of me, and we have another camera up at the top, so you guys will get some good angles here. So, now let's not delay this any further. Let's open up this M1 MacBook Pro. So, there's a nice pull tab here. Oh, alright, well that was pretty good. This isn't a very satisfying unboxing, because this has happened. Alright, already this plastic's a tiny bit hard to take out. Probably because it's me, because I can't follow direct instructions properly. Okay. We have unshackled the box from its plastic. Throw that down here. And before we continue further, I would like to show my old MacBook Pro so we can, do somewhat of a comparison between, 2015's MacBook and then the new one. So this is my 2015 model MacBook Pro. This thing, the battery is pretty dead. It keeps running out quickly and the screen's a bit dented, so that's why I've upgraded. This is a 15-inch model, and this is only a 13-inch, and the reason why is because, this is the only one available that has the 13-inch screen size is the only available model with the M1 processor. So this is the 15-inch. It still had the light-up Apple logo over here, as you guys can probably see. Pretty good MacBook, actually. Very good model. It's lasted me 5 years. I love this computer, but, this battery's dead, so I have to move on. And here you go, cameraman. So, let's take off the lid of the box and see the actual computer. And here is the computer. I think the top camera will be the one showing this. It's in this nice, soft sort of wrapping. I'm pretty sure it's plastic as well. And yeah, you can take it out. Already, I can feel a big difference between that old 15-inch and this new 13-inch. This is a lot lighter. And the color we have here is space gray. And it does, unfortunately, these new MacBook models, it doesn't have that light up Apple logo. It has this silver one, so... okay, before we take off the plastic, we'll save the best for last. We'll take a look at what is actually inside of the box. And what we have here is this small, whatever, I don't know what you call this, folder? Yeah, pamphlet, or it's just something containing all, the paperwork. This is the instructions, man. I know how to use the Mac. I don't need that. There's a booklet in here. No, never mind. I don't know. These things are weird. Yeah, more paperwork. But this is the most important part, and that is the Apple sticker. And for the space gray model, they have provided some space gray Apple stickers. Usually you'll see white Apple stickers. Feast your eyes on this, folks. I don't think you'll ever see these. And another important part for this computer is this charging brick. Apple recently stopped giving their charging bricks for the iPhones let's see if they'll discontinue providing charging bricks in the future for their computers. Now this is I believe it's a 61 watt. Yeah, if you take a look through this packaging over here, or this plastic film, there you can see, sorry, it's paper film. You can see it's a 61 watt and it's a USB-C adapter. Then we have the charging wire over here. This is what you connect into this, and this gets connected into this, and that's how the charging works. Let's take this off, this paper. Okay, well that goes in there. This is not a very satisfying unboxing, but oh well. Yeah, this is the nice white Apple charger. I wish Apple would give their chargers in a different color, make things more interesting, because we always see white cables, white charging bricks. It's so annoying. We need something different in life. Okay, so now that we got the charger stuff out of the way, let's take a look at the actual computer. So let me flip this over here. Let me flip it upside down. I think this is the only satisfying part of the unboxing. Taking off this plastic cover. No, never mind, not really. This is not going to plan. Get off. There. We have gotten this off. We'll put this to the side as well. And we have our nice, beautiful computer. Alright, now we're going to be moving on to the testing section of this video. First off, we're going to be doing the audio test. So what we're going to do now is we're going to play a song, obviously a copyright-free song, and this will be to see how good the computer speakers are. Alright, now we're going to be moving on to the benchmark testing section of our review, and we're using an app called Cinebench. Think of it this way, benchmarking a computer pretty much finds out how powerful it is, and we can take a car as an example. For example, in a car, the more horsepower it has, the more powerful it is. So a car with 700 horsepower will obviously be a lot faster than a car with just 200 horsepower. And same for benchmarking a computer. The higher the benchmark number is for either the single core count or the multi-core count, the more faster it is, or the more powerful that computer is. Alright people, we have now reached the end of the video. Now, should you upgrade to the M1 MacBook Pro? Well, my answer is yes, you should. It's an incredibly powerful computer that is cheaper than its competitors and predecessors, and it can outperform all of them. Apple has started a revolution in the computer industry by releasing a laptop that can satisfy a power user's requirements without breaking the bank. Let's now see who should upgrade to this computer. If you're a light user who just surfs the net and just watches YouTube videos, then we recommend not to upgrade to this computer or any new computer. Just stick with what you have. If you are an editor who wants a lot of power and performance at a good price, then you should get this laptop. But beware, Apple is using this M series chip as a stepping stone, and there are already leaks and rumors of Apple releasing a wide variety of computers with this M series chipset. If you feel as though this 13-inch M1 isn't going to cut the mustard, then you should wait. But for those who feel as though this computer is just right, then get it. Thank you all for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if this video satisfied you, and hopefully we'll see you all soon. Bye.